So, on your first slice of paper, what I want you to do is you're going to put your name and date. Ooh, that's not what I want to do. I'm going to put my name and date. Get rid of that. I'm going to show you all that example here in a minute. Name and date. So I put Michael Angelo. And then I'll put today's date. Today's the 24th. And then I'm going to write how to poetry. Okay? How to poetry. Okie dokie. I'm going to pause this for a minute. All right, so we're on page 41 in our poetry booklet. We're going to talk to you about how to poetry today, okay? And I've got 3 examples I'm going to show you guys how to do when it comes to writing how to poetry. And it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to look at something right quick. So up here at the very top, I want you to write this down, how to in poetry. One more time. I know you just wrote on the other sheet of paper, but write on this, how to poetry. And there's just one, or really 2 simple rules with this. One, when you write a how-to poem, you have to start off with how to. And the second one, you have to follow the format. So without reading a single word on this poem right here, how many stanzas do I have? 3. I have 3 stanzas. How many lines are in the first stanza? 5. So my first stanza is going to be 5 lines. How many lines are in the second stanza? 2. And then how many lines are in the third? 7. So we're going to test your math skills, guys. I'm just going to warn you. In first period, they got this math question wrong. What's 5 plus 2 plus 7? 14. Oh my God. That warms my heart. My first period, they're all like, 13, 15, no, 13. Oh, dear Lord, help us all. All right, so it's 14 lines. Hey, if it's got 14 lines, what type of poem is it, y'all?
Sonnet.
Yes, sir. High five. There we go. It's a sonnet. Boom, shaka, laka, raka, shaka. All right, so you guys, when you do these, you're going to write a 14-line sonnet, okay? Now, without reading a single word, I noticed something about my second stanza. It's 2 lines. What's a 2-line stanza called, y'all? Anybody remember? I'll give you what? Couplet. Good job, couplet. You're trying to be French. Couplet. Hunter, I always thought you looked a little French. You're like, oh yes. Hey, see in France they just call them fries. They don't call them French fries, just fries, right? And that French shows just toast. It's just toast over there. All right, so check this out. When you write a how-to poem, you're going to have 5, 2, and 7. That means 14 lines. Your second one's going to be a couplet, okay? So check this out. When you, I'm going to zoom in on this. A how-to poem, you're just instructing somebody on how to do something, okay? Self-explanatory. So this one is called How to Wear Glasses. Anybody want to guess what this poem is? How to wear glasses. Good job. I was checking to see if I was recording. I was like, crap, did I do all this and not hit the record button? Yes, it's how to wear glasses. So check this out. Let's learn right quick on how to wear glasses, okay? So it says, step 1, go to the doctor. Step 2, get glasses. Step 3, never wear the glasses. This is understood. Glasses are stylish, but only in the right company. Got a quiz or a test or a project or an interview or presentation? Pop them bad boys on. You will be on fleek. Places you don't wear glasses. School, church, when hanging out with friends, taking selfies, or anytime somebody might see you wearing glasses. They are not to be worn, but for emergency purposes only. Hey, am I being sarcastic? I'm not being sarcastic. I'm being sarcastic because check this out. Why would you go to the doctor and get glasses then never wear your glasses? I know that's the thing though. That's silly, right? Right? I mean, ask if you took glasses off, could you see me? A little bit. Okay, so no, if you took glasses off, could you see me? Oh no, I know I wear contacts. If I'm not wearing contacts or glasses, I'm all the way blind. Okay, but obviously I'm being funny here because I say never wear the glasses. Wear them to school, but don't actually wear them where somebody might actually what? Or they might actually see, hey, if I'm being sarcastic, that means this is considered to be satire, right? Go ahead and write that up there. It's satire. Satire is sarcasm. Do your parents ever get sarcastic with you? Do you ever get sarcastic with your parents? Yes, we do. That happens. No can vouch for it. That happens at our house all the time. I'll be like cleaning around. Oh no, what you? Like you're right. The world's ending. I'll be in the basement crying my eyes out because you have to clean your room and the world's ending. Okay. I'll say something sarcastic, or no, will say something sarcastic to me like, "Yeah, Dad, because if I don't clean my room right now, the volcanoes are all gonna erupt. We're all gonna die." You know, he's being sarcastic with me. Okay. But when you do it in writing, it's called satire. Yeah, satire. There we go. Fantastic. All right. So, all right. Some other two examples on the back on page 42. I've got how to coach and how to teach middle school. We're going to let Taylor pick. Taylor, which one are we going to do next? How to teach middle school. Ooh, that's kind of funny because where are we right now? We're in middle school right here, okay? Hey, guess where I probably never saw myself doing as a kid? Teaching middle school. God, I was a high school teacher for 10 years. Middle school? Ugh. Nobody wants to teach middle school. Want to know why? Because they're all hormonal velociraptors. You're like, you want love, but you don't want love, but you want to bite somebody's head off, but you also want $20, right? Right? Kind of like we talked about with their parents earlier. So how to teach middle school. Here we go. Hey, what do I not need to do to my title? I don't need to do it because Michael Bean already did it for us, and I can number my stanzas of 1, 2, 3. What do I notice? How many lines in my first stanza? 5, then 2, then it's a process. Just for a moment. Here we go. Go to college to become a teacher. Graduate. Take every single bit of knowledge that you soaked in and throw it away. Nothing from college has prepared you for teaching middle school. Teaching middle school is like riding a bike that is on fire. You're on fire, the room is on fire, the kids are on fire, the school's on fire, everything is on fire. Understand that you'll need an abundance of courage and determination and patience and responsibility and endurance and a little bit of love and laughter. After that, the flames of the fires don't really burn anymore. Aw. Right? That makes me feel good. So it's not just me on fire. You guys are on fire too. This Caleb's on fire. Wow. Thank you, London. You're my favorite right now. Sorry, she's my favorite now. All right, hey, check it out real quick. 527, 527. It doesn't have to be a great piece of literature. Look at this. Teaching middle school is like riding a bike. What's that called? Teaching middle school is, yes, good job. London, you really are my favorite. Sorry, Will. There we go. Everybody cool? Again, we don't need to analyze this for deep meaning because I'm telling you how to do something 527. How to do something 527. Look at how to coach or how to be a coach. Okay? Y'all ready? Yell. Yell with excitement. Yell with positivity and nurturing thoughts and mind. Yell like you may need to use the bathroom at any given second. The kids will like this. Pretend to know what a layup, corner kick, or technical foul is. Nod your head when the ref gives you a request. Convince the parents the ref doesn't know what he's talking about. All coaches do that, right? That ref's stupid. You don't know what I'm talking about. Don't worry if you fail. Tell your athletes that losing is part of life, but don't call them losers. Congratulate their efforts. Shake hands, smile for the other coach, even if it's Ted from the office. The same Ted that annoys you every Monday morning with stories about how his kids are winners. The struggle, right? Struggle. Right? If y'all ever seen me coach before, that's my favorite thing to do. If I act like I have to pee, people will do it a whole lot more effectively because I can be like, Caleb, put your hands up, and he's like, whatever. Oh, I'm like, Caleb, oh my gosh, put your hands up, put your hands up. He's like, all right, I'm better put my hands up. He looks like he has to pee. You know? You got that urgency going on there. I tell people all the time, if you want to be a good coach, act like you have to pee the whole time, and you'll win championships that way, okay? All right, cool. Hey, again, not a great piece of writing, but what do I notice about the format?
Correct.
It's
It's the Sonic.
527. 527, 527, 527. Okay? It's a process, it's a format, it's a process. Everybody understand that? Let me, what I want y'all to do before we get into writing this, flip this sheet of paper back over, down here at the bottom. And what I want you to do, number your paper 1 to 6. All right. And what I want you to do, brainstorm for about 30 seconds. Think of 6 things that you do well or that you know something about. So, like, I know how to read comic books. I'm good at reading comic books. I'm good at annoying my kids, my boys. No, is that true? I see that eye roll. I'm good at annoying my boys. Let's see, what else am I good at? I'm good at, what am I good at? I'm good at writing poetry. This is my list. You're making your list, y'all. So, like, London can be like, she knows how to play volleyball. And she knows how to play basketball. And Addison's like, well, I know how to rap. Can you rap? Yes. She knows how to bust out fat beats. And Peyton's like, well, I know how to crochet blankets. He's like, how did you know, man? You see my YouTube history? I have not been watching videos about that. All right, so I'm good at writing poetry. Let's see. I'm good at losing my hair. Because I'm losing my hair. Wah, wah, wah. But guess what's going to happen to all y'all? Yep, struggle's real. Let's see here. I know how to read comic books. I'm good. I know how to annoy my boys. I'm good. I know how to write poetry. I know how to lose my hair. I know how to, let's see here, listen to music. I know how to listen to music. And let's see, let me pick one more thing. I know how to slow. Amen to that. That's a good one. I'll put sleep. I know how to sleep, okay? Okay, you're just making up a list of 6 things. I'm going to come on with this. What's done? About halfway done. Just doing a visual check. Ooh, my video's almost out. Almost done. Yeah, no, put it down. Right, or as put it down. Right. All right, so you're out dropping on SoundCloud too. But yes. All right, so check it out. This is the absolute hardest part of this, was just this brainstorm. I'm gonna have to make a second video on this. So everybody say goodbye. Bye. I'll post part. This is part 1, so post 2 will also be on Google Classroom. So goodbye.